Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will cover the 3 types of crypto market participants. Now, remember, this is where I break down Forex and crypto trading terminology word by word to help you on your journey. You can look forward to clearly defined and clearly explained terms. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on what's next. Don't forget to give this video a like to let me and the algorithm know that you enjoy this type of content. And as always, if you're here, you're interested. So let's get into it. Now, there are 3 major crypto market participants, and those are miners, exchanges, and traders. And there are 3 types of traders. So let's go ahead and break those all down one by one. So miners are the individuals or companies that invest in equipment that generates computational power. Miners spend electricity to run computer nodes within the network to validate transactions and potentially be rewarded for their efforts in Bitcoin or other tokens. There are a few different types of hardware used in crypto mining, but I'll touch on that in the next video. I might even release that video a little bit early. Comment below if you want it early. But the next type of crypto market participant is exchanges. Exchanges are places where individuals can buy, sell, or swap cryptocurrencies for other digital or traditional currencies. Then we have our 3 types of traders. So retail traders, whales, and corporations. Retail traders are everyday people like you and I. Whales are individuals or entities that hold large amounts of cryptocurrency. And then lastly, we have corporations, which are just large companies that have decided to invest in crypto. Yeah, I had to pop back in here on this trade, but the market participants have the ability to influence price and control trends, which sounds crazy, but it's quite normal. The news can influence the price just by doing their job. Things like announcing project partnerships, rebrandings, or announcing coin listings. Projects can influence the market by announcing airdrops or coin burns. There are even pump and dump groups and trading bots that can make the market move. And don't get me started on the crypto whales. They are big manipulators when it comes to the crypto space. But the key is just to know who to follow. So just watch the money. Now, you all know I like to keep these videos short, sweet, and to the point. Don't forget that our posting strategy for YouTube has changed. So every Tuesday, you're going to get a vocabulary video in our Tuesday tidbits. You will also get a bi-weekly video of our 101 Wednesdays. Those are being brought back. And then every Friday, we're going to have some PDFs, which is our Personal Development Friday. So do me a favor, comment below. Let me know what you think of our posting schedule. Let me know if you guys have any questions too, or if there are any terms that you want me to go over for you. But as always, I hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.